guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with a hair review. I'm trying to switch it up on this channel and do things a bit different. I don't know what I'm trying to do, but so this is the hair. I've styled it, everything, but then I will obviously insert like a clip of, you know, me putting it on, unboxing, just to show you guys how the wig comes, obviously. But yeah, be sure to check them out. I'll put everything in the description anyway, and if you're interested in buying the hair, you can always check them out. Yeah, so let's get to it. It took quite a while because I don't have a foundation that matches my skin, so to actually have it like blend and look neat, it just doesn't look neat, but to actually have it look good, it took a while. It really did take a while. However, I love this hair. I love this hair. Obviously with the right foundation and the right with laying it properly, it will look sleek, like it will look cute. So let me give you guys the information about this hair. I think it's Elfinhair. This hair is from Elfinhair, water wave, natural wave, 13x4 lace closure with 180% density. So yeah, the hair is really thick. It was amazing. No shading, absolutely none at all. Smells really good as well. I don't really wash my wigs when I'm reviewing them because I'm showing you guys what I get, you know, and being the guinea pig, like I'm testing it out as is. So yeah, it smells really good. Obviously I would advise you guys to wash your wigs, and yeah, I really like this hair. Obviously it could do a bit better with the laying and stuff, but overall the hair is, it's so soft, like it's so soft, and there's no shading, or if there is shading, it's not minimal shading when I had to cut the lace. Oh yeah, and with the lace, the knots were bleached, and the knots were bleached, and it was pre-plucked. Who's got time to be plucking wigs? I don't know if you do, but I don't. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to like, share and subscribe. I'll put everything about this hair in the description. If you don't want to buy the specific, you can still shop from them. I'll put their shop in the description as well. So let me know what you guys think about this hair. Make sure to check them out. Thanks so much for watching this video. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay positive as always. Bye.